In this video, we are going to see the different types of frameworks which are used in the security industry. So the first framework that we are going to see is the National Institute of Science and Technology Framework, which is NIST. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework provides a policy framework of computer security for private sector organizations in the United States. So the framework has been translated to many languages and is used by the governments of Japan and Israel and many others. It provides a high-level taxonomy of cybersecurity outcomes and a methodology to assess and manage those outcomes. The first version was published by the US NIST in 2014, originally aimed at operators of critical infrastructure. It is being used by a wide range of businesses and organizations and helps shift organizations to be proactive about risk management. In 2017, a draft version of the framework, version 1.1, was circulated for public comment. Version 1.1 was announced and made publicly available on April 16, 2018. The version 1.1 is still compatible with version 1.0. The changes include guidance on how to perform self-assessments, additional detail on supply chain risk management, guidance on how to interact with supply chain stakeholders, and encourages a vulnerability disclosure process. So it is used by almost 30% of the organizations throughout the world. Then this framework concentrates on cyber secure management, communication between internal and external environments, thus improving and updating security policies. So these are the 5 processes of cybersecurity framework of version 1.1. First being the identify. In identify, the main objective is to develop the organizational understanding to manage cybersecurity risk to systems, assets, data, and capabilities. The next is to protect. Develop and implement the appropriate safeguards to ensure delivery of critical infrastructural services. The next is detect. Develop and implement the appropriate activities to identify the occurrence of a cybersecurity event. Second last one, that is the fourth one, is respond. Develop and implement the appropriate activities to take action regarding a detected cybersecurity event. And the last one being recover. Develop and implement the appropriate activities to maintain plans for resilience and to restore any capabilities or services that were impaired due to a cybersecurity event. So this is the first framework that we have seen. In the next lecture, we will see the next framework, that is COBIT framework.